Get ready to step into the future of construction, from skyscrapers touching to the sky to the innovation that are redefining engineering. We are taking you inside China's construction powerhouse, CSCEC. Stay tuned, because what's coming up will leave you awestruck. Discover the secrets behind world's largest construction company, explore the groundbreaking technologies, and witness the art of building like never before. This is where the dreams are built. Don't miss it. In the heart of world's most populous country lies a construction giant that's shaping the future of architecture and engineering. Welcome to China State Construction Engineering Corporation, or what you call as CSCEC, the powerhouse behind some of the China's most iconic structures. CSCEC is not just a company, it's a symbol of innovation, quality, and ambition. With projects spanning across continents, it's a beacon for engineers, architects, and construction lovers worldwide. Founded in 1957, CSCEC's journey began with a vision of transforming China's landscape. From humble beginnings to becoming the world's largest construction company, the growth has been nothing short of phenomenal. CSCEC's portfolio is a testament to human ingenuity. From the Beijing National Aquatic Center, known as the Water Cube, to the twisting Shanghai Towers, these structures are not just buildings. They are science, art, and engineering combination. In the age of technology, CSCEC leads with innovation, embracing BIM, 3D printing, and sustainable practices. It's a playground for tech-savvy engineers and architects. Here, the future is not predicted, it's created. Beyond China's borders, CSCEC's influence is global. From Africa to the Middle East, it's building bridges literally and metaphorically, connecting cultures and fostering development. Success never comes easy. CSCEC's journey is filled with challenges, but with resilience, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence, it has earned its place among the world's best. Building the future is not just about concrete and steel. It's about vision, passion, and relentless pursuit of excellence. CSCEC is more than the construction company. It's a symbol what's possible where human creativity meets engineering prowess. Join us in exploring the world of construction, where dreams are built and the future is shaped. Like and subscribe our channel for more such informative insights in the world of civil engineering and architecture.